All right, so we're gonna go over and we're gonna start on the gremolata part of the dish.
All right, what is a gremolata?
So gremolata is just essentially it's lemon, parsley, and olive oil.
Okay.
And a little bit of seasoning on there. And what we're gonna do is, if you do have extremely fresh, especially if you can get some baby fennel, I would recommend doing this raw. And do that as a salad, as long as it's really finely cut. When you get into the bigger bulbs, we're just going to blanch it for a little bit in salted boiling water, just to soften it up a little bit. So for the fennel, we're going to remove these stems, and all we're going to do is take this really sharp mandolin and we're going to shave it.
Very carefully. So you pop that into boiling water or more so like lightly simmering water?
Just lightly simmering, and it's going to come right out. So literally 45 seconds, and then we're just going to shock it in a little bit of ice water.
Okay. You can already smell it. Do you like that smell?
I do.
That licoricey.
What does the shocking do, Chef? I've seen.
So you're just essentially stopping the cooking process.
Okay.
So by shocking, it's not going to turn mushy. You're just getting enough so that it softens up, and then the ice water will just stop the cooking process.
Okay.
Probably still keeps it nice and crisp.
Yep, crisp as well.
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
Now, if you didn't have a mandolin at home, would you do that with a knife?
So you can do it with really sharp knife. Yeah, and I would recommend cutting the bulb in half, and then so you have a little bit more control. I can show you. So if you have a really sharp, just so that you have a flat surface, and then just real fine sharp knife, very important. Okay, so just to finish off the gremolata, we're just going to take the fennel and just dry it off a little bit. Okay. Because you don't want to dilute all the flavor we're going to put on it, and water is going to do that. So let that dry.
I love how it turned translucent.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah. Smells fantastic.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
So fresh.
We're going to tear the parsley leaves here. We're going to add a little bit of virgin olive oil, some fine ground black pepper.
So really simple.
Really refreshing.
Yeah.
Great time of year to prepare this, and it's just very light. So we're going to do a little lemon zest and a little bit of lemon juice.
Nice.
No seeds.
Hopefully.
All right. And that's just we're gonna
and that's it.
Toss this a little bit, and
it's lovely.
We are gonna leave that alone. We're just gonna leave that kind of marinate in all of those flavors, the lemon and the olive oil.